Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong.
Hello everyone, back again after a long time. Yes, hope you'll enjoy this content. And yes, we are out here for a photo shoot, and I'm here with my sisters, two sisters and a cousin. So hope you'll enjoy. We will try to get some good traditional pictures and some other pictures too. Yes, so enjoy and keep on watching, watch till the end, and hope you comment how was the photo shoot. And yes, keep on watching. Yeah, she's Naomi. Look at. Yeah, and here is Dinah. Yeah, and yeah, this is Monica, and yeah, you'll get to see better pictures later on.
Oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to it. I want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done.
Yeah, friends, so now the weather is not so sunny nor very cloudy. It is in the mid. You can still get some good pictures. Hope we'll still work on to get good pictures for as of today. Okay, so keep on watching.
Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only.
See the scene behind me, that's the main hill of our village, or we say and yes, you comment down below how is the place, how is the scenery over here, and yes, do visit. This is Kulen, Ukhrul district, Manipur, India.
I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.